Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check driving directions of a particular waypoint selected at the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the saved button down below, which is the fourth option, and select the waypoint that you have saved here at this section. After that, you should tap on the more button and click on driving directions. Now you will be directed to Google Maps, and here you will be able to see the driving directions from your current location to your selected waypoint. Here you can select the mode of transportation at the top, and you can tap on the go button if you are ready to start your way to that point. So basically, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.